Wintercircus is an old stone circus built in 1894. So you had elephants, tigers, the strongest men from the world coming here doing performances. And then in 1944 it went bankrupt because of the war. And then something very unique happened. The building was sold to Mahi, a person who built a garage in this place. And it made a really unique combination of a circus with a garage, which makes Wintercircus today one of the most architecturally unique buildings in the world. With our company, we've bought the rights on the building for the next 90 years, and we're going to transform it into a tech hub with a startup campus, a public square, a concert hall, several hospitality places, and so much adventure will await here in the years to come. The project with Bose Professional started to become a reality because we were looking for an immersive sound installation for the central atrium that we have here in Wintercircus. We were looking for a solution that didn't only help us with, I would say, daily music for public visitors when they entered the building, but we also were looking for something that could help us with professional conferences, and even more something that could help us with immersive experiences from a cultural perspective. And it all had to work really well together with the lighting systems that we have here, with the projection systems that we have here. So making Wintercircus a modern experience was extremely important for us. And I'm thrilled with the sound experience that we now have 360 with Bose Professional.
It was an interesting project for us to implement the variety of loudspeakers that Bose Professional has in their range. In the atrium, we provided a more technically solution with the steerable loudspeakers. Speakers, subwoofers give you a very immersive sound. And in the atrium, it's more a technical part where we steer the speakers for the different events that will take place. With the Bose Professional speakers, we always aim to have the same decibel volume everywhere we are sitting. So even when we are down or on the balconies, we try to have the same decibel volume. We have a lot of repeating speakers. It's because we want to have the best possible voice clarity, even for people sitting in the back.
In Wintercircus, we have various functions. We don't only have a central event hall, we also have our own public bar, we have restaurants, we have a sushi bar. And so it's very important for us to have a central system that we can manage, that can deliver, I would say, customized experiences to all places that we have. And having this centralized with one hardware partner, with Bose Professional, that is then guided by a digital system with a very intuitive interface, has for us been a no-brainer in selecting the technology.
This is the difference in the audio systems for the different rooms. For example, in the cafe, it's a type of sound system where you connect a DJ booth and can go quite loud. But in the restaurant, it's background music.
The end result for me is much more than I expected, especially the sound experience that we have in our exposition rooms, but also the grand central atrium. It's beyond immersive. The sound quality, even when played loud, is really spectacular, and I think it's going to wow every visitor that comes to this building. With Wintercircus, we have a tagline that is about never stop wondering. And if you think about what a circus meant to people in the 19th and 20th century, it was about showing people things they've never seen or experienced before. And that is exactly what we want to do again with Wintercircus, is to bring performances, to bring experiences to this building that people have never seen before. And this Bose Professional sound experience is extremely crucial within that.